here. Okay. Bye.
तपाईँ राजकुमारी टु स्टेप सिममै one of the beautiful memorable gift.
Sini Rajakumari ji, Bogo sini Lipoi, sini David Chade, Boni Jotto.
And not just Tripura, it's also entire Northeast. Entire Northeast, because you know we have more or less the same problems. Because being just in one side of the country.
But just be peaceful.
Yeah, it is peaceful. So far,
we are following the principle of Gandhi. So
we are very peace-loving people. Don't worry about that.
Okay, thank you.
Here in Meghalaya, the TTA-ADC area. So it's, as you know, we are a minority in Tripura today. So we have a lot of issues regarding this. And as a result, the Tripura Motha party, which came to power, thanks to our king, Tripura Motha. So the Tripura Motha has signed an agreement, an accord with the central government to ensure that there is progress in many fields in Tripura, especially in the tribal autonomous district council areas. Because we have been seeing a lopsided kind of development for a long time. And as you know, after this, we are being close to Bangladesh. There's a lot of infiltration, the ethnic problems that come due to it, problems with land issues, a lot of things are there. And recently also, we've been asking for special a task force as well. And there are certain issues to develop our area. And so as a result, we've been talking to the government, and we are also in alliance with the present BJP government in the state. But unfortunately, despite all that, we haven't been seeing much of a change. And some of the promises that were to be kept by the state and the center, that has not reached the people or the state. So as a result of which, this is just one part of it. Persons like David Murasing, and we have our the students and the ladies groups,
so
the society at large.
Was it taken up in Tripura?
We've taken it up in Tripura many times, but somehow our voices have been not been heard. So as a result, this is like a desperate situation, you could say.
Government issued to fulfill our demand, the Prasa Accord, within 6 months. But it's already 18 months. So
and soon we'll be having the
remind
elections
the
again.
government, this March, Agartala to Delhi, 4th March, Pedal March, this is because we want to remind the central government. Remind their promise.
This is the first state that you landed up, apart from Tripura?
From Tripura via Assam.
So did you halt in
Jowai?
Assam?
No, so not really. Went to Jowai. From Jowai, he's come here.
Okay. Since when did you start this?
19 days?
No, from 5th of this month.
5th of this month?
Yes.
Okay. So today you will be moving to...
Today, no, I think tomorrow. Probably.
Today I am moving,
Today itself you want to move?
Up to ISBT.
Today up to ISBT?
Yeah.
So you'll be halting in ISBT?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Nearby the ISBT.
Do you have the consent of the state government? Of Meghalaya state government?
See, this is a very peaceful march.
Okay.
It's just a reminder.
Okay.
We've had no problems
How
so
many
far.
is working along with him?
We have how many people now? 16.
So all these people, they came all the way from Tripura?
they are
No,
not from
we
Tripura,
have
they are supporting from
we
here.
have Tripuris here in our
Okay.
state, in
Meghalaya.
Who are
Meghalaya
residing
as
in
well.
Meghalaya, they come.
So
Okay.
they've all been giving
Support.
help, moral support,
Okay.
and also
So
food.
do you
and
have the
help.
copy of the letter which you submitted earlier?
No, we don't submit
No,
Oh,
that
that,
is for
that
the
accord.
accord,
That
that is-
accord.
Okay.
That is in the website.
You'll be able to find it.
It's there in the website. Okay. On which website can I find that?
In Google, you can search the Tiprasa
Tipra-
accord.
Okay.
Tiprasa
Tipras
accord.
Tiprasa accord. That just you search.
David Mura Singh on Facebook. You can follow my page.